Now I'm back out working outside of the car. Something simple, something minor. Just tire graphics, tire decals. I usually paint on them. Oh, amazing. Get the glue. And of course I got the permanent type. Up to 40,000 miles. Alright, let's get to it. We could just smell the glue working between the decal itself and the material of the tire. Keep in mind, this is also my first time. So the thinner the glue amount between, the better the contact right away, instead of having runs like these. I don't have any idea when I'm gonna clean my car. I just like working on it. Last tire decal. Alright, alright. Oops. Tend to overrun the edges. Just gotta be careful because it's harder than spreading on mayonnaise on your bread. Just gotta be patient on the corners. That's all. And I'm done. So there you have it. Tiregraficx, thank you. Next, I'm gonna take care of the looks over here. I just need to cover it up with a tire bag with this Michelin tire bags. I only need one, and I also got the digital tire tread depth. Oh, look at that, crikey. This is so cool. I'm such a newbie. So I'll just measure by sliding this. Simply turn it on. Tire tread mode. I can check my tire pressure. Ta-da! You got your little flashlight, and it turns off automatically by itself. Not bad. So fast forward, I took off the remaining fabrics and foam down here. And my next Michelin merch, it's the Michelin tire inflator. So what I like about this, you can preset your tire pressure, your PSI. Pretty cool, alright? And of course for your tire. And also lastly, my favorite, my Michelin merch shift boot. I made it from what came with this. So there you have it. I'm gonna call this video Michelin merch video for you guys. Shoots. Don't you just love that lightning bolt action? So precise. Anakin, why are you following me?